Welcome to the course on Python for data analysis, where you will learn to perform data manipulation and data visualization using Python. My name is Anmol Tomar. I am your instructor for this course. I began my career in data science in 2015. Over these years, I have worked with various Fortune 500 clients and I have helped them take many data driven decisions. Currently, I'm working at United Health Group where I lead data science work. Over these years, Pandas has been the go-to library for me for all the data analysis and data manipulation tasks. I have designed this course for anyone seeking to learn how to use Python for answering questions from data. By the end of this course, you will be very comfortable and confident to use Python for your complete data analysis. But why should you select this course? So there are four major reasons. I have created this course in such a way that it is memorable. You will learn the why behind everything you do, so you remember the concepts and can use them on your own later. It's the perfect length course. So the course is just around 6.5 hours long. So you will actually be able to finish it and get your certificate. The third reason is it goes at a perfect pace. So you will learn the Python fundamentals at a pace tailored for beginners. This means you won't get left behind and won't waste time on irrelevant fillers. And last but not the least, it is practical. It is not just dry theory. You will be solving 13 quizzes and one mega coding assignment. Over time, I will keep on adding more coding assignments for your practice. There is no prerequisite for this course. I just want you to come open minded and ready to learn. The ideal student for this course could be an aspiring data scientist who want to build his or her career in data science, or an entrepreneur who wants to learn how to use data to answer the business questions. The course offers 30-day 100% money back guarantee. You have absolutely nothing to lose and everything to gain. Enroll in the course now. You will be glad that you did.